Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Mary Grace Sabido, 43 years old, married, have one daughter. My work experience in Singapore is 2004 to 2008. I take care of 2 kids, 8 months girl and then 2 years old boy. My work is cooking, laundry, and then take care of the kids, shower them, and feed them. My second employer is Korean. They have 2 kids also, 2 girls, 8 years old and 11 years old. My work experience is cooking also. My madam taught me how to cook Korean food, and then laundry, and then take care of the dog, the small dog. That's all. And then the third one is Hong Kong. The kids is 2 years old. I do also cooking, laundry, and then cook the food for the baby, and then cleaning, and then washing. That's all. Thank you.